How to unfollow groups on Facebook app easily. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can unfollow groups on Facebook app really easy. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step here is open up your Facebook. After you open up your Facebook, head over to the menu section on the bottom right corner. Tap on it, and after you're on menu, you'll see the groups option right here. If you don't find it, tap on the See More button and you should find groups. Tap on groups to head over to groups. Now here you will see the list of groups that you are a part of. Now if you want to unfollow or unlike those groups, what you will need to do is actually head over to that group. So just head over to that group and there you will find an option called joined. Tap on the join, there will be a drop down arrow. And after you do that, there you will see unfollow group. Tap on unfollow group, and after you do that, you should unfollow the group, and that should be it. Now if that does not work, do that again and you can even leave the group. Now unfollowing the group will not necessarily remove you from the group. So if you tap on the join button again, tap on the leave group button if you want to completely leave the group. And that's basically how you unfollow groups on Facebook. It's really simple. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.